Hello friends, in this video you are going to learn how to make this type of sofa in 3ds Max with very easy process. For this I am creating the base first with the help of lathe command. So for this I create a line and make it in left or front view. So I just make a shape with normal line. You can change shape as per your requirement. So I make this. Now my half profile is ready. I just set the width to set my vertex and go to modify, say lathe, give minimum, weld core, flip normals. It is little bit hard, so I give extra segment in the roundness so it look more smooth. Now you can set the vertex anytime, so I increase the height and move it into center. Now my seat is ready, so I just center the pivot with the effect pivot and center to object. Now I am creating a back of my sofa. So for this I create 3 boxes, but I want some edges will be smooth, so I take chamfer box instead of taking box. So I create a box, give little bit of fillet. You can add more segment in fillet also. Decrease the fillet amount and make it copy. So I just change little bit of width because I want two edges should be two boxes is less height and center will be a little bit big. So I increase the width of the center box and make the another copy for the same box. Now you can add more segment in the center box to give some height. So I add more segments in the width. Now give FFT box fix. Now FFT box, select the control points after pressing 1. Now convert it into editable poly. Attach both the boxes. Now my basic shape is ready, but there is no any segment in this box, so I add more segment in width because I am going to bend this, so I need more extra segment and attach them. Give bend modifier and bend it. So I used X bend with 180 degree or 275, whatever. Change the direction and set according to the base. You can adjust this from the top view and move it little up. Decrease the height if you want and set according to the base. There is some jittering, so I add turbo smooth and increase the iteration. And I want to add a seat. For this I am creating a sphere in the top view. Scale, move first, then scale in a single axis and move little bit in a center. Adjust the base accordingly if you want, because I want to give this base for the whole seat, so I adjust according to my base. You can hemisphere, give hemisphere also. Now my seat is almost done. Just give a basic material for my sofa. You can use this technique in a very different way. You can make objects with a line or with a box. Hope you understand the technique of this sofa set. You can use this technique in your models. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Thank you. Subscribe my channel for the latest updates. Thanks.